Oh god. Wake up in the morning feeling like Charlie. Got my phone not out the door, I'm stuck in quarantine. Trying to get fame on talk before the day runs out. But how can I do that when I don't have clout?
Sup, it's Sydney, and I don't know if I've been around my sister for too many hours because of this whole quarantine thing, or if I've just significantly lowered my standards, but yes, I'm making a TikTok video. About 2 months ago, I actually downloaded the TikTok app, which really hurts my mouth to say, but don't worry, it wasn't because I actually wanted to post on there. It was because my mom asked me to surveil my sister, because who knows what she does on there. Now I guess I'm caving, and now I'm doing the thing that I originally hated so much. If you don't know how this challenge works, basically I have 24 hours to try and go TikTok famous. Do I think this is going to happen? Absolutely not. I am estimating that by the end of this video, I will have 32 TikTok followers. So let's see if we can get that.
How about throwing on one?
I won't be cheating. I'm not gonna like post on any of my other social media that I'm doing this video, because that's what a lot of people do, and then they're like, follow me on TikTok, and guess what? That's cheating, because then everyone from your other platform just follows you on there. I'm starting from scratch, baby, and that means that I will not become famous from this, but it will be a good and honest effort. Let's do this! Oh my god. The first TikTok that we're going to be attempting is the Full House theme song one, where everyone's just doing random stuff and then they look up and wave.
I haven't even started yet, so.
This is what I chose to do. Maybe it's just a me problem, or maybe this is why TikTokers spend all day long filming a 15-second video of them dancing in their bathroom, but I get it now. Emily has chosen to eat out of a dog bowl for hers, and I did not advise her to do this, just so you know. She's just that creative. As the director of this TikTok, I feel as if we need the food. Please don't.
Dog food is really nasty.
How would you know?
I had the dog food.
This is my career, everyone. Just keep in mind that while people with real jobs are unemployed, here I am doing this. Sam is going to be drinking ranch. And as a stylistic choice as a director, I'm gonna just... Costume is ready.
Do I just stick it in there?
Yeah. Oh, that's what she said.
To make her drink ranch.
Like for me to like spit it out.
That was a little bit too long. We have to do it again.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna do that.
So, you know Oscar the Grouch?
Yes.
What if I popped out of the trash can and waved?
Yeah.
I love it.
This one looks less gross.
I'm going right now. Oh my god, he nailed it. A one-take wonder.
What cards did you grab?
These. I don't know.
I don't know what game we're playing, but I don't think they're too good. There he is.
The trash himself.
Roasted.
Step 1, costuming.
I'm smiling under here.
Are you sure about that?
This is kind of horrifying.
It's a little crunchy over here.
Go. Yeah! Woo! I'm about to post my very first TikTok. Oh my god, Sid Yeets is alive.
For you, baby.
At Sid Yeets on TikTok
Follow
has
her.
launched her career.
Just around the bend. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. This is hard to sing just by myself.
For my next trick,
Hello.
we will be turning Sam into a little spicy flu. Oh, I'm sorry, I can't say that on YouTube. And we're gonna use the sound that's like, how does it go?
It goes.
Baby, come give me something. Da da da. I'm a savage. Da 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 da.
You know.
And then it goes, spicy virus. Wait, that was kind of good.
Really
That was really good.
Baby, come give me something new. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, spicy flu.
2 TikToks in an hour and a half. Not bad. For the next one, we're gonna be doing that ponytail thing where you go like this and you put like a million hair ties in with the Addams Family theme song. Here is our victim. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Okay. So we've been struggling with our base, so we decided to add a scrunchie, but it may have been a little too late in the process.
How are you gonna get any of this out? You're not allowed to move. That's illegal.
It freaking fell.
It can do it. It can do it.
We can do this. We didn't come this way for none.
Oh, yes!
Dun-dun-dun-dun. 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 RXD.
For our next TikTok, we will be working out. We're going to be doing the plank challenge. Allegedly, we'll see how this goes. We haven't worked out in 5 days or so.
Then touch your shoulder, then high five them, and then you do the rolly.
Bow now, bow no, 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 no. I can swear, I can joke, I say what's on my mind, and there's more words that I don't know. Please just go to my TikTok. This is getting painful. Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
It's been about 3.5 hours, and we have filmed 4 measly, pathetic TikToks, so it's not going well. Our most viewed TikTok is the dancing one with 40 whopping views, and it has, get this, 5 likes. All I need is for one of these babies to catch some heat, and then it'll be like, stonks. Watch out, Charli D'Amelio. Watch out, other TikTokers. You might be a little confused. I am too. For our next talk, if you will, we are going to be doing one of those like red carpet things where people dress up to go to dinner in their own house, except we're gonna look like
Idiots.
this. The final outcome is pretty good, and I said y'all looking cute for dinner, couldn't be us. Hashtag red carpet, hashtag Doja Cat, hashtag for you, hashtag FYP. Let's get it post.
Whoa, I'm a beach, I'm a boss, I'm a beach, I'm a boss, I'm a shine like gloss, I'm a beach, I'm a boss, I'm a beach, I'm a boss, I'm a shine like gloss, I'm a beach, I'm a boss.
For our next talk, I'm actually really hyped because we came up with this idea, and I don't think anyone's been doing it, but it's like a spin on this thing that we would do in our neighborhood for Halloween, and I think a lot of other neighborhoods do it. During the month of October, you would basically get booed, and if you got booed, that means that someone would ding-dong ditch you and leave you like a basket of stuff, and then if you were booed, you would have to go and do that to 2 other people. So we made that, but for like cute little quarantine edition, because we think everyone's struggling right now, okay? Matthew made up a little rhyme, and this is the thing that goes in with the baskets, and it's kind of like the instructions on what to do next.
We know it may not be Halloween, but in this time of quarantine, we wished and hoped to spread some cheer to help you smile from ear to ear. So here's a basket full of games to play to help you celebrate the coming holiday. So happy Easter from us to you. We hope you enjoy this springtime boo.
Also, normally you wouldn't put your names, but we feel like we don't want to leave random baskets of stuff because people might get hashtag scared at a time like this, so we're going to sign our names. We're going to go get our neighbors. Sam is the runner. Don't get caught, sweetie.
I don't think I'll get caught because they take a second to answer the door. Run, run.
Get the barn.
Get down.
There's someone up in the window up there.
We're going to our next location. This one we have to drive for, so it's getting a little intense now.
We're gonna go on this side, okay?
Go. How to make your neighborhood happy during quarantine. Step 1. Make a basket filled with fun little games and candy for you to drop off. Step 2. Leave instructions on how they should spread this around. Step 3. Recruit a fast runner to nicely ding-dong ditch them and leave their stuff on the front porch. Step 4. Feel good about yourself. You did good today. We started at 4. It is now 10 p.m. and I have posted literally 6 TikToks, so maybe this was harder than I thought, or maybe my TikToks are just high quality. Probably the former. Currently, my most viewed TikTok is the one of Emily's hair doing its whole Cindy Lou Who thing, but 4 out of the 6 TikToks that I've posted have over 50 views, so not terrible. Dear TikTok gods, or I guess Charli D'Amelio, it would probably be her, right? Please bestow some of your wisdom, some of your strength, your guidance, and your TikTok followers onto my account because it would be very much so appreciated so that this video is more entertaining and so that I can be a member of the Hype House, even though I'm pretty sure it's falling apart and there's like money laundering or like fraud or lies are going on. I'm not really sure, but thanks, Queen. It's the next day. What better way than to get views than to exploit my own mother? So I'm going to be teaching her the little savage dance.
Carol Baskin killed her husband, whacked him.
Oh my goodness. Good enough. Good enough.
I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage.
Rosie, are you gonna be famous? Yes.
This is a cry for help. I don't want to get demonetized, but the audio sucks.
She's exhausted from being used for TikTok clout. Oh, hi.
Are you sleepy?
Bitch.
Hi. Oh my god, hi. For my next talk, I have recruited
Me.
Matthew. If you've been an avid Crocs wearer since 2005, like my brother, you would realize that there are 2 modes on Crocs. Matthew, explain said modes.
Ooh, wait, I could be like the beauty people.
Ooh, relax mode. Ooh.
And sport mode.
Looks good. Good job!
I don't think sport mode is meant for sprinting while Naruto running. I like almost fell over on my face.
For the Croc talk.
I just flipped the switch. Flip, flip.
Run.
Anyone got any ideas? 100 years later, and we have finally thought of an idea. We're gonna be doing the Phineas and Ferb theme song, but like at home version.
Perry the platypus.
You are not a platypus, are you?
Go. I don't think any of those got in the video.
Nope. Oh, it was closer.
This is the weirdest thing I've ever done.
Emily's gonna be the mummy, except we don't want to waste toilet paper because we're out of shortage here and my butt needs that. So we're gonna just... You look like E.T.
Ah, mini spider.
Where?
Right there.
Yeah!
This is the bathroom that Swams revealed that she had accidentally, and by that I mean not accidentally, cut her entire eyebrow.
Oh yeah!
Ew. Did you just TikTok dance?
3, 2, 1. Perfect! Time to edit.
There's 104 days of self-isolation, and the cure comes along just to end it. So the annual problem for our generation is finding a good way to spend it. Like maybe building a rocket, or fighting a mummy, or climbing up the Eiffel Tower. Discovering something that doesn't exist, or giving a monkey a shower. Bow, 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 bow.
So I just finished editing and posted the 10th TikTok, which was the Phineas and Ferb one, and there's still like an hour left in the challenge, but to be honest, I'm like TikToked out. I'm just like, I'm dead. So I think I'm just gonna leave it at that. I probably will not become TikTok famous. Who could have guessed? Well, I think it's safe to say that my TikTok career flopped before it ever started, so now I can say that I'm irrelevant on 2 platforms instead of 1. I'm just kidding, my TikToks did okay, not good, not bad, merely just okay. I ended up with just under 100 followers. I had 98 and 251 likes across my 10 TikToks that I posted. Here I have with me the best analytical person of TikTok. What do you have to say about our account?
It's pretty gosh darn good.
Why did our TikToks flop?
'Cause no one knew about you.
I feel like the main reason that people who do these videos on YouTube get TikTok famous is because they post on their other platforms,
Yeah.
and then all their followers just go to TikTok. Like, I genuinely tried to do it where I just started from the bottom on TikTok.
Started at the bottom, now we're here.
If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and also comment down below what your favorite TikTok was. If you want to, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and allegedly now on TikTok. I'll post on there when I feel like it, which is who knows.
When?
So follow for mystery. Bye.